Is your Ford F-250 key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. You'll need a CR2032 coin cell battery. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually near the key ring. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct orientation. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your F-250. If the key fob still isn't working after a battery replacement, there might be a different issue. Double-check that the battery is installed correctly and is new. According to a 2025 Reddit community study, 70% of remote not working issues are solved by battery replacement. The other 30% could be software glitches requiring a dealer reset. Ford's app and dealership tools can help diagnose these issues. Avoid forcefully prying the key fob open to prevent damage. Online tutorials, like the 2024 Ford Tech Hub video, show the correct technique. Using OEM batteries can help maintain warranty integrity. Some newer F-250 models have key fob battery low alerts in the infotainment system. Consider battery-free alternatives in the future, as Ford is experimenting with RFID and NFC technology in models like the F-250 Lightning.